Okay, so we have done our nail preparation and we have applied the Lecenté Create base coat and cured for 30 seconds. Next we're going in with the application of our glitter gel. Apply it in exactly the same way as before. 2/3 of the way down the nail. Pull up and have your brush flat to the nail. We are now going to cure this for 30 seconds in the Lecenté Create lamp. After curing, we're going to apply a second coat of the Lecenté Create glitter gels. Making sure that we cap. Prior to curing, we're going to make sure we've got a nice even coat, and then we're going to cure for 30 seconds in the Lecenté lamp.